How is law as a subject? How can we prepare and pass this particular paper? Okay, so let's understand law. Law is a theoretical paper, right? That's what people think, but that is so not correct. When you are reading the law, try to Google the names of the companies, go to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website, go to the Money Control website, and so many others, and try to apply your theoretical concepts practically. Now, how can we prepare for the law paper in the exams? Let me tell you. Rule number 1, institute's material which has been given to you, make sure you have the latest material available with you along with the applicable amendments which have been issued attempt through RTPs. Number 2, apart from that, if you want to follow anything else, then you can go to any author's book, latest one only for the law paper, because amendments come here every 6 months. Third one, if you have joined my class, in that case all the notes, all the updates, all the amendments, everything has been given to you in our class notes, in the printed notes that we have given to you. What else do you need? Sir, apart from this, we need some tips, some techniques how to prepare and how to clear this paper. Number 1, you need to understand that answers might be big, but to understand the answers and to memorize those answers in a way that you can write, you need to make keywords. Select the keywords. Select the alphabets and make a keyword out of the alphabet. We call it as various memory techniques like storytelling techniques, which we use in the class, the mnemonics techniques that we use in the class, right? Even you can use it at your end. There is no rocket science about it.